welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I am feeling the itch to thrift. So if you love thrifting and you love decorating your home on a budget, then come along with me as we go thrifting today to see what home decor goodies we can find. You never know what you're going to find when you go out thrifting. It's always a treasure hunt. That's why I love going and just seeing what I can find and how much money I can save. It's a game for me. Like, can I find a high-end looking piece to give me the luxe look for less? And typically I find something, sometimes I don't. But yeah, it's all part of the hunt. So in today's video, I am looking for some pieces to decorate my powder room. We're going to be doing a spring refresh in there. I'm also looking for, I don't know, just some home decor pieces in general. I told you guys I wasn't going to do a lot of shopping, but as I said, life is too short. And when I get stressed out, shopping is my way of coping with that. And yeah, I know it's a habit. Well, it's not really a habit. It's just my way of de-stressing, of coping with a stressful work week. So that's what we're going to do today. Don't know what we're going to find, but yeah. What I do before I go out thrifting is I like to look at my high-end home decor stores like CB2. You guys know I love CB2. So I peruse CB2 to see what they have coming out new for spring. And then I catalog that in my brain. And then I go to Pottery Barn, do the same thing. Crate and Barrel, Arhaus is one of my favorite places now to look for inspiration. So I just look through to see what new things are coming out. And then I head to my local thrift stores, my local peddlers mall to see if I could find something similar looking to dupe. So that's what we're going to do today. So if you love thrifting, grab your purse, grab your glasses if you're like me, and let's go see what we can find at our local stores.
I feel the warmth of your skin, just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place, and without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart, together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do, it's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face, smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. I'm in a better place.
guys, so I am back from our trip and I wanted to show you the few things that I picked up. If you saw in the video, I found another one of these. Again, I don't know what it is, but it was $1.99. Same as the other piece in another Goodwill I found. Who would have thought you found two of the same pieces within a few weeks of each other? But anyway, I picked it up because, again, the one that I spray painted black, I absolutely loved it, and I thought I could use this one upstairs in my loft area, and I am also going to clean it up and spray paint it black. Also, I found this vase. I am going to be refreshing my powder room for spring, and I thought this would be perfect for a spring floral arrangement. You guys know I love doing my DIY florals. And this was $5.99, if it will focus. You can see that. A little pricier than I would like to have spent, but it's similar to something that I saw. It was either at CB2 or Crate and Barrel, and for $5.99, I thought, why not? So I went ahead and picked that up. As you saw these in the video, these were 99 cents a piece, and I don't know, they're really solid drinking glasses, and I don't know where these came from, but there were 3 in the store, and so I only picked up 2 because I don't like odd glasses or numbers in glasses. So I picked these up, but these are heavy duty, 99 cents a piece. I thought was really nice. You have your juice in the morning or iced tea. I just love the design detail on these glasses. And for 99 cents, I thought, again, why not? So I picked that up. Also, as you saw in the video, I found these candle holders. And these candle holders look exactly like the ones from Zgallerie. If I can get it out of the bag. But this is how it looks. It has the hammer detail. And for $6.99, it does need to be cleaned up, as you can tell. But for $6.99, I thought, why not? These were $4.99 a piece. I don't think these came from Zgallerie, though. No. I wonder where these came from. Let's see if we can find out. Oh, I was wrong. They are from Zgallerie. So I picked these up for $4.99. Again, Zgallerie prices are really expensive, so for $6.99 and $4.99 respectively, I thought that was a great deal, so I could not leave those in the store. I brought them home. Even though I think I have a pair downstairs, still, I could do a lot with these. So these are the same ones from Zgallerie. The only thing missing is the glass, but they are available right now on Zgallerie. The large one is on sale for $79.99, I think, so $80. And the small ones are on sale for $63, $64, something like that. But we got ours for $5 and $6.99. And I think that's a great deal, even with missing the glass, because we can go to the Dollar Tree and pick up those glass candle holders and stick those in there. Get a glass votive and stick that in there for $1.25 a piece. Oh my gosh, yes, please, and thank you. So I think what I'm gonna do, since I already have these in silver, is spray paint these black, because Zgallerie did offer them at first, I think, in silver and gold. Now they have a black pair, and you guys know I love decorating with black and white. So yeah, this was the find of the day, and I am absolutely very happy with this find. All right, so I found this piece. I'm gonna use it as a bowl, but I don't know, it looks like it maybe was part of a lamp set, maybe? I don't know. It looks like a bowl. I don't know why it has that hole in the center. But this was, how much were you? $5 from the Peddler's Mall. And I picked this up because it reminded me of a piece that I saw at Arhaus. It was like a lotus blossom, and I will put up a photo here so you can see what I mean. And for $5, I thought I could recreate the look. You guys know I'm all about getting the looks look for less. So I picked that up for $5. All right, and then a couple of other things that I picked up while thrifting. I saw this and I thought it was really cute. You guys know I'm decorating with white. It does have a chip on it, but a little paint can fix that right up. This was $2.99. It looks like it probably came from Burlington, if I'm not mistaken. But I thought this was really cute. You guys know I'm into florals for spring. Not so much the pink, but I don't know. It's something about it just spoke to me. So I don't know. I think maybe it was the vase. So I went ahead and picked it up. I have gone ahead and disinfected this one. I used my Mrs. Meyer's disinfectant on every leaf, because you know you can't be too careful at the Goodwill. And then I found this. This had a floral in it, but it was removed. This was $2.99, and you know I like things shiny too, and so I thought this would be a good DIY project. We can make our own floral arrangement with that. So yeah, $2.99 a piece. I thought that wasn't a bad deal, so I went ahead and picked them both up. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up while thrifting. Again, don't sleep on your local thrift stores. Sometimes they can be hit or miss, but there are times when you can find a few things. And I think so this set, oh, and I got this acrylic holder, if I can get it out. It was $1.99. I thought I could use this maybe for napkins in the powder room for people to grab to dry their hands when they're done using the restroom. So these 3 pieces in that was $20. And then these pieces over here was $20 altogether, I think. What is this? 5, 11, what is you? What are you? What is you? Okay, so 6 and 5 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, that was $15. So for $35, or if it, what is it, 20? Yeah, $35. I can't count today. Yeah, I thought that was a great deal. So yeah, so that is what we picked up. I need to get these cleaned up, and then I will show you how I will style them in my home. All right, so this bowl has been cleaned up, and again, it's similar to one that I saw on West Elm. It didn't have this footed base. It was just shorter than this, but it was on sale for $51. We picked ours up for $5.99. Again, you cannot go wrong for $5.99. You can use this for fruit in your kitchen. You can use it as a decorative piece. You can use it for floral arrangement. You can use it for anything. So for $5.99, I definitely had to go ahead and pick this one up. This piece has also been cleaned up as well. And I don't know, I just love the shape and the detail of this. Again, this was $5. I don't know why the hole is there, because it does look like it's a vase to me. But again, it looks similar to the lotus vase that I saw at our house. And again, I'll put up a photo here. But yeah, so nice. I originally thought I was gonna paint this, but I might just leave it clear, because you guys know I am loving crystal and glass for spring and summer. So this I think would be great. You could style it with some decor pieces, like some orbs, or again, you can use this for a fruit bowl in your kitchen. You can use it for anything. For $5, I definitely had to pick this up. I couldn't leave it in the store. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I would so love to have you. I love decorating with style on a budget, and this is one of the ways I do that is by thrifting. And who would have thought that we would have found these spectacular pieces that are from Zgallerie for such a great price? And again, if they are still available, I will put up the photo here of how much they cost. But I thought this was a really great deal. So again, if you're looking for home decorating inspiration on a budget, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.